Just want to thank Comfort Dental. It's been great. I used to have issues with, I would clench my teeth at night, and it was causing problems with my back tooth. It was causing my gums to bleed. And working with the team here, they put me on Invisalign, which corrected the bite issue I had. They improved my treatment plan. They got me to have better habits, and I'm coming in here today, and I got absolutely no issues. My teeth are straight. Couldn't be happier, and it's all thanks to Comfort Dental. It's been great here.